What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. We just got back recently from Los Cabos, Mexico. Had an amazing, phenomenal time. If you hear the sound of the water, we have little fishies right here. Just visiting my parents for the week. But guys, I'm super excited. I've been out having an amazing time on vacation in Mexico in Los Cabos and making money, right? Making money online is definitely possible. Making money online, working from home, making money on the internet is definitely real. And so I just want to show you, right? I want to actually logged in here in my back office. I'm clicking here on reports. You can see that it's actually loading. So it's not a fake screenshot. You can see my name right there. That's Adriana Villegas. But I want to show you, right? I'm going to show you my Facebook. I'm a real person, so there's nothing to hide. But we left on June 12th, right? And so I haven't worked for like the last 10 days. I haven't been working because I've just been out on vacation. Went with my sisters and just had an amazing time, right? And for the last 10 days, today is June 22nd. For the last 10 days, I haven't even been working. And so with this online business opportunity, I show you how to run your business on complete autopilot. So meaning that you can be out and about having an amazing time, doing the things that you love to do, and you're still getting paid. And so I want to show you, right? I'm going to show you here in my back office. If you hear the dogs, the puppies are over here, but I want to show you here. Junior, come down. I want to show you here starting June 12th, right, when we left. So June 12th, and you can see right here, today's the 22nd, Friday. So in the last 10 days, I'm going to go ahead and click submit. You can see right here that it's actually loading. See up here? It's actually loading. So the last 10 days, I'm going to scroll down and show you, right, I've been able to make over $8,000 and $8,600. You can see right here, 8,669 in the last 10 days. And so that's what I've been able to make while I've been having an amazing time. You can see right here, this was us flying out at the airport from the San Francisco airport. This was the view of our hotel. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so you can see. But this was just the amazing view from the hotel in Cabo, right next by the beach, right? Ate some amazing food, some amazing tacos, met amazing, phenomenal people. We went and did karaoke out there. We just had an amazing time. This was my view here, so I did just a little bit of work while I was in Cabo. And that's the view that we had. We got to ride some camels by the beach, so that was a phenomenal time. We also got the chance to get on ATVs. So I'll be posting more pictures later on, but it was such a great time. And I'll show you here. I think we took a picture. I'm on my phone, but we took a picture here riding the ATVs. Just had a phenomenal time. See right there, we were doing the ATVs, and it was just great. It was just great, a great experience. Um, this was me driving the ATV by the beach, right? It was just by the beach, having a great time. And so, that's what life should be all about, that you're creating memories. And so I tell everybody, making money online is real. It doesn't have to be a myth. Um, I'm not going to explain what the business is here because I have already done that on other videos. That's why I'm going to invite you to go to www.richmindsets.com so you can go ahead and get the full details. But I'm going to show you right now what my website looks like. You want to go to richmindsets.com, right? You want to answer a couple of questions to see if you qualify to join the team. If you do, go ahead and watch the video. But in very, very simple words, this business is a direct sales business opportunity where what we're doing, we're copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media, such as Facebook, Instagram, on Snapchat, on Craigslist, on YouTube, When somebody responds to these ads, they purchase a product, you get paid 100% commission. Simple as that. Get the full details on my website at www.richmindsets.com. And you know, 10 over $8,000 in the last 10 days while I've been out in Los Cabos, Mexico, just creating new experiences. That is amazing, right? And there was a point where I was where you're at right now. There was a point where I was like desperate. I was desperate to change my life. I was working 70 plus hours a week. I had no time to do anything in life, right? And life shouldn't be about working your face off and not get anything in return, right? What if you could become your own CEO? What if you could create your own rules? What if you get to decide how much you're worth, right? And so when I decided to become my own boss, that's when everything changed for me. And yes, it is uncomfortable getting out of your comfort zone. Absolutely. It is scary because, especially if you've never done anything online, you've never worked online by yourself, right? That's one of the things. You're not going to be working by yourself because I have a private coaching group, which is called the No Limits team. So when you get started with me today, you're going to be added to my private coaching group, which is right here, the No Limits team. You can see we have over 6,000, almost 7,000 team members, right? That have joined my team. And we have the file section where we have more additional training on how you can start making money with this direct sales business opportunity, and copying and pasting these pervert ads on social media. So if you're serious about changing your life, if you want to learn exactly what I did to make over $8,000 in the last 10 days while having an amazing time in Cabo, right? Go ahead and message me after you get started. Visit my website at www.richmindsets.com. Change your life. Other than that, I will see you at the top.